this. You read it. Look at these. And I go on to what I'm going to do is dry the van up on top of them. That'll give enough room to get to crawl in under the van. Well, plenty of room. We can check underneath, check there's no rust areas or no areas that have been got stone chips, that kind of stuff. I'm going to put it at the back of the tires, where I can see where you might get, or you will get, stone chips. So we'll cover along there nicely. Also do another application over the top of the LPG tank. So it's a nice sunny day, blue sky. So I'll make a chance, get into the van, tie it up, give it a good clean, check if something loose. You know, the LPG hoses, the copper tubing, and also the underneath underslung tanks, water tanks, etc. Check they're all good for this coming season. Alright guys, that's the van up in the chocks. Now we can see all under the van. So you can climb in there and get all, check it all out. Okay guys, this is the my tank. The LPG tank under the van here. Condensation inside. Check that, everything looks good. Might put a bit more sealant around here. Okay guys, hope you can see this part here. That's the oxy sensor. That's where the problem was. That's where apparently the cabling melted. Right guys, I'm trying to hold, see those two wires there? That's a connection that goes into, I'm trying to hold the light up here. Right guys, I got the light over now. Let's see the some handles are. See this thing here? 9 clipped in. It's supposed to go in here. Now this could be going loose, rattling around in my van. Now Charles Herschel's company did this work here. There's a problem with the ADBLUE tank. Alright. And look at this. It's supposed to go into here. This wire comes around. That's supposed to hook into here. Didn't even bother us to do it. well else didn't it, you know what I mean? That's why you can't trust assholes. You gotta get a good mechanic. I have a good mechanic, but this is warranty work, and this ain't done properly. Very pissed off. Cut these tie backs off. Okay. Hope you can see me, guys. Just putting a bit of got gloves on so I can do it this way. Make sure, guys, give this shit a good shake. Couple of minutes. Okay, guys, that's underneath all done. I'll show you what I did here. Also spread along underneath here, down in here, this corner here, and then I also spread underneath. So that's it all taken care of. That's underneath done. Now we'll just check our batteries out. Right, guys, got myself a battery tester. Right, everybody's on about how many volts you should have in your battery. But the main thing is you get what the load is. You know what I mean? So a resistance. You've heard about the old mechanics on about cold cranking amps, that kind of stuff, what your amps are. Well, that's what the main thing of your battery is you could have like 12.8 volts, but the battery still be shit, you know what I mean? So you want to get a wee battery analyzer like this wee boy here, jump it across, red goes to plus, black to negative. Then we go to select, hit OK. Now I want to punch in the cranking amps. And this one, the cold cranking amps, is going to be 650. So 6. Across 5. Hit OK, and that's testing. Hit OK. You see the bottom number there? That's the resistance. 3.82. The higher that number gets, it means that the body's wearing out, and as the body gets older. So we've got, like I got what I meant, they're fully charged batteries because the solar's been on. I've been driving. I got 13 volts, and resistance is 3.82. When the battery was new, it was down about 1. Now I'm at 3.82. So as it gets older and more use, it gets higher.